All right, here we go. One take, unscripted. So for the switch, I just picked your average, ordinary, mechanical keyboard switch, and sacrificed an audio cable and hid my terrible soldering skills with heat shrink tubing. And it turns out those switches fit basically perfectly inside of a threaded PVC 1 inch to ½ inch adapter. You can see how they kind of just, it fits right in there like it's made to. And so I put a little bit of glue around the rim of the thing to cover the corners, and ended up threading this like that into there and feeding the cable through that. And from there, I got my first prototype working. So there's a little bit of a armature on here, and then if I line that up, you can see as this rotates, it presses the switch down. And I had to use a little piece of ribbon and some Gorilla Tape on the inside, and that kind of creates a ramp. It's on there pretty tight, and so as soon as the foam touches the ribbon, it starts to push in, and that moves the switch in, and it works. I plug this into the adaptive controller, and basically you get a key press every time, or a button press every time that this rotates. So I'm going to keep playing with that, and I also got everything I needed to make the supersize version, basically. So I think this will be foot control, and the smaller green ones will end up being arm control. So I got two of those, left and right, and then the foot. So I think these will be turn, rotate, and then the large one will be like for forward movement. And then just because I've got it right here, I also bought one of these monster switches, and I'll be incorporating that somehow as well. If it would focus. There we go. Because this actually works just like a real switch. So this one won't be tied into any of that rotation stuff. It'll just be a big switch. And that's what I got so far.